Hello and welcome. In this video, we are going to talk about AWS Direct Connect that provides a dedicated network connection between on-premises data centers and AWS. We'll talk about the key features, benefits, use cases, and how AWS Direct Connect works. Let's get started. AWS Direct Connect is a networking service that provides an alternative to using the internet to connect to AWS. It provides the shortest path to your AWS resources from your on-premises data centers. While using AWS Direct Connect, network traffic remains on the AWS global network and never touches the public internet. All AWS services can be used, including Amazon EC2, Amazon VPC, Amazon S3, and Amazon DynamoDB. Let's talk about the benefits of AWS Direct Connect. AWS Direct Connect offers the following benefits for an organization: improve application performance, reduce networking costs, and protect your data in transit. Let's elaborate each of these benefits of AWS Direct Connect. Improve application performance. You can improve application performance by connecting directly to AWS and bypassing the public internet. Reduce networking costs. Low rates for transferring data out of AWS may reduce your networking costs compared to other AWS services. Protect your data in transit. You can secure your data as it moves between your network and AWS with multiple encryption options. Now let's talk about the use cases for AWS Direct Connect. AWS Direct Connect supports the following use cases, which cover the need of a broad range of customers: build hybrid networks, extend existing network, and manage large datasets. Let's explain each of these use cases for AWS Direct Connect. Build hybrid networks. Link AWS and on-premises network to build applications that span environments without compromising performance. Extend existing network. Link your network to AWS Direct Connect and using SiteLink to send data between your locations. Manage large datasets. Ensure smooth and reliable data transfers at massive scale for real-time analysis, rapid data backup, or broadcast media processing. Excellent. Now let's see how AWS Direct Connect works. The AWS Direct Connect cloud service is the shortest path to your AWS resources. While in transit, your network traffic remains on the AWS global network and never touches the public internet. This reduces the chance of hitting bottlenecks or unexpected increases in latency. When creating a new connection, you can choose a hosted connection provided by an AWS Direct Connect delivery partner, or choose a dedicated connection from AWS and deploy at AWS Direct Connect locations around the globe. The diagram is created by Amazon Web Services. It shows the key features of AWS Direct Connect and how you can connect to AWS region, AWS local zones, and AWS GOV Cloud directly from your on-premises data centers and branch offices. We recommend you read the diagram and get a clear understanding about how AWS Direct Connect works. Now let's see how AWS Direct Connect can connect your locations. With AWS Direct Connect SiteLink, You can send data between AWS Direct Connect locations to create private network connections between the offices and data centers in your global network. The diagram is created by Amazon Web Services. It shows the key features of AWS Direct Connect and how AWS Direct Connect site link can provide connections between your data centers. We recommend you read the diagram and get a better understanding about how AWS Direct Connect connects your data centers and branch offices. In conclusion, use AWS Direct Connect and create a dedicated network connection to AWS and your data centers. That's all about AWS Direct Connect. Thank you and see you in the next lesson.